The empiricist philosopher John Locke established scientific realism by criticizing naive realism. As a kind of realism, scientific realism believes that the external world independently exists. Locke, in his book An Essay Concerning Human Understanding, discusses the nature of knowledge. According to scientific realism, we know the object by the copy or image or representation of the objects. Objects are unknown and unknowable, and we know the object only by the representation or copy or image of the object. Therefore, this is also known as representationalism. According to Locke, we know an object by its qualities. Qualities are of two types: primary qualities and secondary qualities. Primary qualities are objective properties inherent to the object and unchanged. For example, shape, extension, etc. Secondary qualities are subjective properties inherent in the mind and may be changed from person to person. For example, taste, smell, etc. As Locke's theory is based on the analysis of the qualities of external worlds and objects, therefore this is also called critical realism. Locke tries to explain the relationship between objects and knowing mind scientifically, therefore it is called scientific realism. The following are the characteristics of scientific realism. Objects of knowledge are independent of the knower's mind. We do not know the objects directly. We do not see the object, rather, we see the copy or representation of the objects. Knowledge is an indirect process. Two types of qualities of objects: primary, which is objective and unchanged. The secondary qualities are subjective. Objects are unknown and unknowable. Criticism. According to Locke, objects are unknown and unknowable. If it is, then it restricts the limits of knowledge and denies certain and permanent knowledge. Locke supports the corresponding theory of truth. According to Locke, if the image or copy of the object corresponds to the objects, then the knowledge is true. But again, according to Locke, we cannot perceive the object directly. So how could we verify the knowledge with the object? According to Berkeley, like secondary qualities, primary qualities are also subjective. For example, the weight of an object varies from individual to individual. Conclusion. Though Locke's scientific realism is criticized, yet it has a great role in epistemology. His division of qualities is a notable concept in philosophy.